Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD NZD biased upward on central bank divergence at ntvforex.com. News IDA 5A3615 5 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. The drift higher has started due to the contrasting central bank themes. At the time FO writing, AUD NZD NBSP is trading at 1.0892 within a 1.0877 and 1.0895 range. NBSP following the Reserve Bank of Australia's relaxed approach. In contrast, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand was very clear that it wanted a lower currency. NBSP The RBNZ kept its cash rate at 0.25% as fully expected but provided a mild surprise by extending its QE program from NZD 60BN to NZD 100BN. The central banks, however, did NBSP extend NBSP the time frame of the purchases to 2022. NBSP The NZD moved 340 bps lower immediately but has since recovered part of the move. Given how dovish the tone was, we see a real risk that the NZD weakens further in coming weeks as the gravity of today sinks in. The pace of bond purchases to step up and weigh NBSP now that the RBNZ has adopted a tactical approach to bond purchases and specifically mentioned its desire to actively get the bond curve lower and flatter. We suspect that we will see the pace of bond purchases step up, which will drive long-end rates lower, and that will eventually weaken the Kiwi USD gyrations notwithstanding, analysts at Westpac offered. Commodities in focus. Meanwhile, AUD USD has been under pressure at the time from renewed pressure on gold prices, probing 0.7110, about 40 pips on the day. This kept a lid on AUD NZD. NBSP spot gold broke below $1,900 ounce as investors took profits from the months-long rally yesterday. However, new inflationary pressures following the U.S. inflation data, investors got back involved at bargain prices. Gold subsequently rallied to $1,950 ounce before further profit-taking saw prices ease into the close. All in all, a NBSP risk-on tone across markets helped boost sentiment in the commodity markets, with the NBSP ANZ China Commodity Index NBSP ending the session up 0.2%, analysts at ANZ Bank explained. The energy sector led the complex higher, with crude oil rising strongly. Copper led the industrial metals sector higher, offsetting falls in nickel and zinc. Agriculture was also stronger, driven by gains in corn, soybeans, and palm oil. Precious metals also managed to eke out a small gain, with gold rebounding while silver struggled. Bulk commodities was the only sector to end in the red, with iron ore and coking coal marginally lower. Aussie jobs data next in line. NBSP The Australian labour market is the focus for the day. NBSP employment is expected to NBSP rise by 40k NBSP and the unemployment rate to lift to 7.8%. AUD NZD levels. NBSP overview today. Last price 1.0893 today. Daily change 0.0032 today. Daily change percent 0.29 today. Daily open 1.0861 NBSP trends. Daily SMA 20 1.0751 daily SMA 50 1.0703 daily SMA 100 1.0638 daily SMA 200 1.0537 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 1.0897 previous daily low 1.0807 previous weekly high 1.0866 previous weekly low 1.0716 previous monthly high 1.0802 previous monthly low 1.0559 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 1.0862 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 1.0841 daily pivot point S1 1.0813 daily pivot point S2 1.0765 daily pivot point S3 1.0723 daily pivot point R1 1.0903 daily pivot point R2 1.0945 daily pivot point R3 1.0993 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.